everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Android phone. So I got both Android phones right here. This is a Samsung. This is usually a little bit different. But let's go on over to the top right and then press power on each of our phone and go to power off right here. So my Google Pixel is powering off. My Samsung will be powering off too. And how you get into the recovery mode will be a little bit different. And this phone's always a little bit slower for some reason. It's a special phone. So let's go on over to power and then select this and power off. Now with their Samsung phone, I have to plug this into a computer using just a standard like USB to USB-C, and I want to see the charging symbol on the screen. Now on my my Pixel phone, my regular like Android phone, I don't need to do this. So I'm just going to charge this up right now. And now I'm going to go back over to my Google Pixel and I'm going to hold down the power button and the volume down. And I can feel it vibrating. I can let go. Then use the arrow key to go down to recovery mode. Tap power. Now it's going to say no command. Hold down the power button. Tap volume up. Okay, so we can see this menu. Go on down to wipe data, factory reset, press power. Do it one more time, factory data reset, and then we can reset it right there. Now here's my Samsung phone. I'm just going to unplug this, and you can see the battery percentage. So I usually just wait until I see the white symbol on the screen. So you can see the symbol pop up. Give it like 2 or 3 seconds after the symbol pops up, and then go to power, and go to volume up now. Power, volume up, and hold both these down at the same time. And it should reset. So I'm going to press them down at the same time. And then I'm going to wait until I see the Samsung symbol. And then I can let go. So very important you have this cable plugged in. Otherwise it's not going to launch into the recovery mode. Then you can go down to wipe data factory reset right here. So this has to be connected to a PC or a laptop. And then you should be good to go. So you can see wipe data factory reset, press power. And then you should be good at resetting that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.